Hi everyone, welcome back to the react.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about a state. React Components has a built-in state object. The state object is where you store property values that belongs to the component. Let's add state into the component. So go to the project and just open a src folder, and inside the src folder just click on components, then post component, and inside the post component uh, just add here the state is equal to okay, and inside the state add here some property. Let's say name. Let's say name is Jennifer and age, let's say is 25. All right, now access this state into the component render. So here just inside, right here inside the curly bracket, this dot state dot name, just write here the p tag, and inside the p tag just display the name. So just write here name colon this. Okay, now print the age. So inside the p tag just write here age and curly bracket, then inside the curly bracket just write here this state dot age. All right, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser, and here localhost 3000, you can see here name Jennifer and age 25. Okay, we can also add an array inside the state. So for adding the array, just go to the project, and here just write here, let's say array is skills, and inside this array pass some element here. So just let's say first element is react, another javascript, and html. Okay, now print this array inside the component render method. So here just write here inside the p tag, let's say skills, inside the curly bracket just write here this dot state dot skills. Okay, now save the file, and you can see here react javascript html. Okay, let's separate this skill with comma. So here just write here dot join, and inside the join method just pass here the comma. All right, now save the file, and you can see here react javascript and html separated with comma. Okay, so in this way you can use a state in react components. So that's all about react state. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.